Ryan, we're here today at the Three Island Nature Park. It's named after Three Island Lake, which is just across the other side of the parking lot here from us, a little ways down. Now, this area was one of those that was given to the city because it could not be developed. The Mackle brothers, when they came in and started Deltona Lakes in 1962, plotted out the whole city, everything where they could put houses. And this was an area they had determined simply couldn't work for houses. So they gave it to Deltona. Deltona became a city in 1995, and at that point then, we looked at it and we started studying what could we use this and other areas like this, what could they be used for? So we decided, perhaps a nature park, a conservancy of some type. So that's what we developed here. We now have Three Island Nature Park.
And it's a great location. Definitely when you talk about nature, we were able to actually put a trail in here, inside this park.
What kind of trail and how long is it?
It's about a half-mile trail, primarily maintained with mulch. That's our engineered wood fiber, EWF. So it's a very nice nature scenic trail that we do have here.
Excellent.
One of the other amenities, we did build a parking lot within here. We have a picnic table up more close to the entry of the park. We didn't want to make it too much of a picnicking area, but more of a nature walk area. We have an observation deck that overlooks the lake, which people can sit down in front of, enjoy the nature, enjoy the birds, the scenery.
Sit down. Are there benches or something?
We actually do have several benches that spread out along the trail side. If people want to sit down and listen to the birds chirping, it's a great opportunity. It's a perfect location.
We've been listening to the birds chirping here. We've had sandhill cranes, mockingbirds, crows, a brown thrasher, saw a catbird back in the vines, a lot of different birds here in the area. And you mentioned the observation deck. It goes out into Three Island Lake. And we try and develop our conservancy areas, our nature parks, by having some type of lake feature, water feature that goes along with them. And we'll be seeing that in just a few more minutes.
Yes. And with the trail itself, it was a combination between city staff and contractors that actually put everything together, design, building up the platform or observation deck. So it was a joint effort with constructing this park.
In mentioning joint efforts, also we would notice on the sign the Volusia Echo. This park was funded by the city of Deltona and Volusia County and the Echo grant program, a 50-50 grant program. So it was not all city money or all county money, and we ended up with a very, very nice product here for our folks.
Most definitely. Here's an example of our EWF, our engineered wood fiber that I was speaking about earlier. As you see, over a couple months' time already, it's already compacted down to allow for easy accessibility for anyone that's walking the trail. So all of our parks, all of our nature parks does have this material, and it's very beneficial, and these are some of the benefits for that accessibility. And I see you found one of our benches.
I have, and it's a very nice one too. It's one of two of them here at this particular location. And they are well located as being able to sit down and have a observation of both the woods, the forest around us, and the lake. And speaking of the lake, let's go out to the observation platform.
Let's do that.
We had sort of a thick area here at the edge of the lake, and there was no way to simply cut down the trees and such as that and have a spot that was accessible for people to look at. So we cleared a very, very small area, put in a raised observation platform, and now we're able to stand here and see multiple areas of Three Island Lake.